Our conversations always end up in a nosedive.
This is Spigen ArcDock Pro, a 14-in-1 docking station or multi-port hub. It is different than other docks and hubs because it has a few unique and trademarked features. As usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will talk about all the features and then we will check the performance of this Spigen ArcDock Pro. But before that, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
We don't need to talk about it. There's nothing left for us to say. So many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way. So if you could just keep me close.
Well, at the first glance, it may look bulky or weighty, but the truth is, it is one of the lightest multiport hubs available on the market. ArcDock Pro has a nice and clean design language. Slim and sleek, yet there is enough ventilation to keep the device cool. I like the placement of the ports. In the front panel, there is a power button with an integrated status LED. Beside the power button, there is a USB C 40 gigabit per second host port. This port can deliver up to 96 watt power to the host device. There are two other USB C ports, and you know what? One of those two USB C ports is actually a USB 4 port. So that one supports up to 40 gigabit per second data transfer speed. The other one is a USB C 3.2 Gen 2 port. This one supports up to 10 gigabit per second data transfer rate. There are two USB A ports, both are USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, so both supports up to 10 gigabit per second data transfer speed. MicroSD and SD card slot, both supports UHS 2. So with supported cards, we can get up to 312 megabyte per second data transfer speed. Okay, it's good to see that Spigen has also added a 3.5mm port. There are 7 ports at the back. There is a barrel type DC in port, 2 display ports along with a HDMI port. All of these 3 ports support up to 8K 30Hz monitors. So yeah, we can go all out with a high quality triple monitor setup. There are 2 USB A ports, both are USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports and supports 5 gigabit per second data transfer speed. I'm really happy to see Spigen has included a 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet port. Finally, there are 2 Kensington lock ports on the left side of the dock. This Spigen ArcDock Pro comes with a 150 watt very high quality adapter, and this Spigen ArcDock Pro also has a lot of safety measures included. Well, first thing first, there are a few features that only Spigen can provide because these features are trademarked to Spigen. All the Spigen products are powered by Spigen's own 15-point safety standard. Okay, there are 3 different cables that I heavily recommend to use with this Spigen ArcDock Pro 14-in-1. The first one is Spigen Power Arcware Ultra High Speed HDMI cable. I personally like this cable cause it supports 8Cat 60Hz. It also supports dynamic HDR. It is compatible with intelligent safety and DuraBand. The cable I use to connect my MacBook Pro to the ArcDock Pro is a Spigen Arcware USB IF certified 40 gigabit per second 240 watt cable. The other cable that I use to connect my SSD stack to the ArcDock Pro is another Arcware USB C2C cable. Here, this Arcware 2-meter cable supports 40 gigabit per second data transfer and also supports 240 watt PD 3.1. Both the Arcware cables are DuraBand and intelligent safety compatible. Truly, in terms of performance, there are no other cables or dock which even comes close to Spigen. With this setup, I enjoy very fast internet connectivity, very fast file transfer speed with supported or compatible SSDs, and I can even recharge my smartphones, gadgets, earbuds, everything using this Spigen ArcDock Pro. Over and above this, having 3 USB-C and 4 USB-A ports means that I can connect up to 7 SSD or HDD at the same time to my MacBook Pro. More importantly, even with all the ports are occupied and in use, Spigen ArcDock Pro never generates that type of heat. When we do video editing, we sometimes work for 7 or 8 hours. And even after using this Spigen ArcDock Pro for 7 or 8 hours in a row with 4 or 5 SSDs connected to this dock, I have never seen any thermal throttling or any issue. Well, that's all about this Spigen ArcDock Pro 14-in-1 docking station. If you are looking for the best docking station, then I think you should check this Spigen ArcDock Pro because it comes with a cheaper price tag, offers a very good performance, so altogether it offers the best value for money. I have left a link of this Spigen ArcDock Pro in the description box. Go ahead, check the product, but before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Many thoughts around us. All these words are always in our way.